Hey everybody, we are here today at South Bay Ford with the 2021 Ford Ranger XLT Super Crew. Going to give you a quick POV of it, a little walk around, drive it, test out some of the braking, the acceleration, etc. So put on those headphones so that you can hear it in true 3D sound. Let's walk around. Imagine. Sensors. Check out the back seat here. Leg room. Alright, put on, we'll go take you for a quick drive. Quiet truck. Okay, test the acceleration. You can feel the EcoBoost kick in and it took off. And now we're going to test the brakes. See how fast. We'll try to get to going about 20. 20 brake. That was pretty smooth. And how about the one finger U-turn test? See how responsive it is. That's nice. That is nice. Do a little reverse. Got the reverse camera right there. See everything that's behind us. And it looks like it has a bit of a bird's eye too. Drive. And signal. Very easy to drive truck. Doesn't feel like those big trucks from the 70s and 80s. Feels like a car. You still got some bit of a punch there. Come back around here. Should we test the horn? There's nobody up here. There's the 405. Not much traffic, although it's a Saturday. That's the 405. South Bay Ford, right next to the 405 freeway. Alright, let me show you a little more around. Here's your controls for everything basically. Got a couple more down there. I don't know if you can see those. Cell phone, obviously. You can hook your phone up to the touch screen. Seats. Cool stitch right there. All right, so there you have it. 2021 Ford Ranger XLT. Let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to give us a call. You can even comment below and we'll try to answer your comments. Thanks for watching.